Delaveaus, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. Magic. You guys, it's a brand new day and it's a beautiful day out today. It's the weekend and it's been raining all week and it's good to see sun out today. Really good to see sun out today. Everybody is up and a bit cracking. We all wake up late. Well, more like me and babe slept in. We slept in and it's now after midday and we are just about to get brunch. This ain't lunch, girl. Oh, this ain't breakfast. It's both mixed. So we are about to make some omelette. I woke up this morning and Tyler said he wanted porridge. So me and Tyler make porridge this morning. How much money Fairy give you? How much?
20.
20 what? 20 euro?
Yes. Huh?
What?
She says something.
No, it's the signature of somebody.
Gish. More gish. More gish.
You happy?
Yes, more gishy. She's more gishy.
Alright, come.
Then she's happy.
Well, guess what? Now you can buy your Statue of Liberty puzzle.
It's 20 euro.
We can check. Alright, let's go have breakfast. Say morning.
Like I want you to Papa right now.
Say morning to the face.
Morning.
Tell the face what's going on.
My teeth fell out and the mouse take it and she put her money. A euro, I mean. I thought she was going to give me a coin.
You thought she was going to give you a coin?
Yes.
Oh. Well, she give you a paper.
It's a paper? It's a fake or it's not a real?
No, it's real.
We can pay for it?
Mm-hmm. You gonna buy a puzzle? Yeah?
Yes.
Alright. Come on. You just wanna stay in the bed with the money?
Oh, no.
Throw it out in the pot. Just turn it over in the pot. Squeeze the box. Squeeze.
Everything?
Squeeze. I'll tell you when to stop. Just keep squeezing the box. More? Okay, stop.
Then I do what?
Then?
I thought you were going to put it there.
No.
For secret.
For the what crap? We're making porridge.
Oh yes, porridge.
Alright, throw the milk. Stop. Very good. He said he wants to help me make porridge. Alright, now you put back your step away from the stove over there.
We are going to turn it on. I wanted to do the extra.
That's what you're gonna do now. Now you can throw some in the pan. Stop. Throw the water. Stop. Put it down. Mix it. Hold the pan with one hand and the right. Take your time. Mix properly. Just take your time.
Looks like crab.
Mix, man, mix. Slowly. Right. Mix until everything is gone. Throw a little bit more water in it. Stop. Mix and get down the oats from the side of the pan. Mix. Very good. Alright, good job. Good job. I'll take it from here. Okay? You can go sit and wait. You did good.
It's going to be hot?
Yes, go up. No, this is not going to be hot. Go up. Don't touch anything. Go up. Take the milk. Take time and throw it in there. I'll tell you when to stop. Go ahead. Hold it. Have you ever tasted this milk?
No.
Okay. Wait. Don't put your mouth on it. Put your finger at the part that's running out and taste it.
Yummy.
Alright. No more. No more. You want to mix it. Hold here of the pot. Here. Touch here. Okay. Hold the mixer, the whisk, with the other hand. With your right hand, right. Mix it now. Strong.
And fast?
Yes. No, man. Let the whisk stay in the bottom of the pot. Mix. Right. Okay, good job. I'll take over from here.
Okay.
And I went right back to bed after that. Put back Sarah down for her morning nap. And I slept in. Felt good to sleep in a bit. That was good. How are you guys doing though? How are you guys handling the lockdown in London? How are you guys handling the measures in Canada, in Jamaica, in the USA? And congratulations on having a new president, my US peeps. Oh my gosh, I'm here talking to you guys and doing foolishness. Doing what I don't want to do. So yeah, how are you guys? How are you guys? Hopefully y'all are doing good. We, on the other hand, we are healthy. Thank God for that. We have life. Many didn't live to see today, so we have to be grateful. We have to be thankful for it all. We're gonna be heading on the road just to pick up a few things that I want at the fruits and vegetable store. Mostly turmeric is what I'm going hunting for, because I haven't found it at my usual supermarket, and I haven't gone to my fruits and vegetable supermarket for a while, and I know that's where it is. And if I don't find it there, I know I'm gonna have to go to some kind of Chinese supermarket to see if I find it. But I think I should find it at my fruits and vegetable store, and just to breathe a bit. So Tyler Tooth Fairy came last night, and before you guys say, oh, Tyler get 20 euro for it. The only reason why Tyler get 20 is because we had no smaller bills and we didn't really want to give him coins. Though he was expecting coins, and I didn't know that he was expecting coins until he said it this morning. So yeah, we're new parents. We don't know anything about these things. This wasn't my tradition. So hey, Yeah, that's what's good. I'll show you guys Sarah in a bit. Everybody's just getting things to eat, getting ready for the day. So I'm just coming on to intro the vlog basically. But yeah, you guys will see all the fam bam in a bit. I'm going to go and focus on making this food for Babe and I. And I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog.
Mama,
We
are going to the toy store.
Ooh, you're giving me a fairy money?
Like that we can buy it with that money.
Buy your puzzle with this money?
Yes.
Alright.
If it spend 20 euro, but if we don't, we just keep it for next time.
Okay, we'll see how much it costs, okay?
Yes.
Tyler been wanting this Eiffel Tower puzzle.
It wasn't the Eiffel Tower, it was the Statue of Liberty.
Not the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty. He made sure to get me together. So I had told him that when he got another A++ at school, I would get it for him. But God, he's been getting only A++. So he says he's gonna use his money to buy that puzzle. So we're gonna see if we find it today, where we're going. If not, then we're gonna have to go where I'm sure it is, where we had saw it, where we saw it the first time. Who's so pretty this morning? Say hello to the faves. Say morning. Say cuckoo. Cuckoo. She's ready for the road. Look, up there. Say cuckoo. Exactly. Boom.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night here.
Somebody so. You guys, brunch is ready for me.
Enjoy my cooking?
Oh, I wish.
Enjoy my cooking?
Oh boy. I should ask you, how was it?
Wow.
Anyway guys, good time. I am going on a little turmeric hunt. I'm going to my fruits and vegetable store. I think that's where I can find turmeric. That's one of the main thing I'm going for. And then I'm just gonna pick up some little goodies. It's for everything. It's something like ginger. You can use it, make tea, you can cook with it, you can do whatever with it, but it have lots of health benefits, I heard, and it's people said that it help build immune system and whatever corona and after corona and until Jesus comes. So I just want to get a piece to see. They say I can make rice with it, can make tea with it. It's like curry basically. Like it look like the color of it is like curry powder.
You know how to call it in French?
I saw it online, but I know I saw it at the international section. So we're on the road.
So places to park there.
I see one over there. I don't see any on this side at the moment.
Going down.
Like you want. Alright you guys, I think I find it. It's right here at the right beside the busy. That's it. That's it. Stop right here. The breadfruit, them look like they're dying. So no, I'm not gonna take any breadfruit, but I want ginger. You guys, we've been back. We've been back and put Sarah down for a nap. We stopped at KFC. Did I show you guys we stopped at KFC? Yes, I think so. So we gonna eat. Cause we hungry. Tyler got tenders as usual. We tried something new. This is wedges, cheese, and bacon. So me and bacon tried it. This look like yummy.
C'est bon, papa?
Want some guys?
Is it spicy?
Yup.
Oh, it's for Sarah.
I'm doing a soup for us and just a soup for us because we're not hungry. And I'm cooking food for Sarah.
Okay.
Hello there. How you guys?
How you doing?
How you doing? Do it like Wendy. Say how you doing?
No, I'm not gonna do it like
Why
that.
not? Why not?
No.
Why?
You do it like
do it like
Wendy.
Wendy. Say how you doing?
No, you do it.
Yeah, but you can do it too. Why not?
My pride will be hurt. My pride will be hurt if I do it like this.
You can do how you do it. Just be like a female.
No.
Say how you do
No,
it.
my
How you
pride,
do
I
it.
can't take it. I already take so much. I already accept so much in my life that is at the border, but at the wrong side of the border. Hi guys, we home, we were resting. I'm also trying to understand where is Sarah. I see curtain moving, so she's playing behind the curtain. We went out of the house. That was cool. I was happy. And we come back. Sarah was sleepy. We relaxed. We play games with Tyler. Babe, I don't know what she was doing. She was relaxing, I'm gonna say. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the little things that we got today. Today we went to the fruits and veggies store, so we went there for purpose, but the fact that we were there, we also took some little stuff. So we took cucumber. I have the feeling every time I show you, like, she get 4 or 5 cucumber per 3 days. What you doing with the cucumber? I'm starting to worry. What you doing?
I'm taking the cucumber.
Yeah. What you doing? So we have 4 cucumber.
And then I dispose of them. Oh, that sound.
We have coconut.
Oh, that sound.
I didn't hear what you said. We have coconut milk. Grace.
He said he started to worry.
Grace from UK, you say,
Somebody in the comment section
yeah, this
said
one
Grace
say-
is Jamaica product.
yeah.
So I don't know.
But
I
this
don't
one is.
understand, how the branding
Oh,
goes.
this one is written like is distributed, mean like distributed by France. That's when you
Yeah, but
reach in
it's
the
made
market.
where?
Is unpacked. Is they put it inside the tin in UK. They put the address is Grace House, Wellwyn Garden City in Herts, UK.
Okay.
And the website is gracefoods.co.uk. And is also written product of Thailand.
Okay, so I don't know how Jamaica come in. I need to educate myself on Grace.
Yeah.
Because I heard Grace is a Jamaica company.
It's a Jamaica company, but is it the headquarters in Jamaica and then you have subsidiary some other
Good
place?
question, yeah.
Or is the Jamaican a subsidiary?
Or is it Jamaica owned?
I don't know. You know, sometimes you have a French company that they're doing their clothes in China, for example.
Right.
It's written made in China,
Right.
but the company is French.
Right.
So maybe that's why it's the coconut
I really
from.
don't know.
I don't know.
My
Did you-
mom used to work at Grace, so I could ask my mom what's the deal.
No, don't ask any Jamaican. Ask somebody that is non-Jamaican. Jamaican gonna tell you, it's Jamaican! Whew. We have green bean. We have pineapple. I love pineapple. You wanted to take pineapple. All of this wasn't on the list.
We didn't have a list, we went for one
The
thing.
coconut. So what's the difference when you see coconut milk premium and is the green? I remember you like the red one.
Yeah, but I take the green because I don't have the red.
What's the difference between the red and
I
the
have
green?
no idea. They don't taste
Woman.
no different. But I take the red because I'm used to the red one from back home. So I know what to expect.
We have ginger.
We have what?
Ginger.
Oh, ginger.
And we have this. This is what we went for. What's the name of this?
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
I need to do my, now that I have it, I need to do my research on how to use
You need to
it.
educate yourself for
Right.
turmeric. We have some carrots. Good color. Looks pretty. Pretty for the bunny.
I buy extra carrot because I find beetroot and I want to make beetroot and carrot.
We have a good amount of apple. Apple. Oh, she find plantain. Damn, the black plantain. They're not. I mean, ripe.
Those are not naturally ripe plantain. You look at them and you can tell.
And we have the green plantain. We have both.
The green plantain
and
is my
ripe.
friend. It's the highest viewed video on my food channel.
And we have something. I think it's the first time she took it.
Beet.
Yeah, I was surprised she took it. So we don't really eat that much in France. We used to eat it when it's
We don't really
It's
eat
cooked
beet
or is it
in
uncooked
back
that we
home.
eat?
We use it to make juice.
okay. In France we
In
eat
France
it
they
a
eat
lot
it a lot
for
'cause Tyler makes
salad or things like this. But it is the
Right.
pink, the pink pepper one.
That's purple.
Yeah, but there's one is cooked, one uncooked.
I don't like the cook one that I see. I hate
Alright,
seeing
we
it,
have
so
one.
that's why I buy it uncooked.
So let's see.
I don't use the cook one back home, so I take what I use to.
Alright, that was it for today. Just a little bit, and that's enough. We'll go back on Monday.
Yeah, we go to normal supermarket.
I'll let you with the chef.
I'm here about to make food for Sarah. I'm not cooking no dinner tonight because we had KFC late, so we're not hungry. I'm just making some vegetable soup for us. And that was the dinner. Because nobody hungry. We ain't hungry. You running from Papa? Sarah running from Papa. Sarah is walking around eating chicken. Look at her. She eating chicken. She gone.